Proper cleaning of a revolver is important for reliable, trouble-free performance. Let me show you how I clean one of mine. This is a Smith Wesson Model 629 that's been fired recently, and I'm going to clean it. All that's needed are a few basic supplies: some cleaning solvents, a short cleaning rod, brushes and jags, patches, oil, and a clean shop towel. Keeping the muzzle pointed in a safe direction and with my finger off the trigger, I check to make sure it's unloaded. For basic cleaning, I always remove the cylinder, using a properly fitted screwdriver to avoid damaging the screw. Removing the cylinder allows for better access for cleaning. I'll begin by using a brush and solvent to thoroughly scrub the barrel. After several passes with the brush, I switch to a brass jag and patches, and repeat until they come out clean. The frame is next. Solvent and a nylon brush are used to clean off the fouling. A brush and solvent are also used on the cylinder. Each chamber is scrubbed with several passes. Steel wool is used to clean the face of the cylinder. Then patches are pushed through each cylinder until they come out clean. Now is a great time to check to see if the extractor rod is screwed in tight. This one isn't. Fired cases or dummy rounds are used to brace the extractor. Then the extractor rod is clamped in a padded vise and the cylinder turned to tighten the rod. The yoke is cleaned with solvent and a brush, then wiped clean. This is really all that's needed for basic cleaning. Once a year, or after the gun has been shot a lot, cleaning is a bit more thorough. The grip screw is removed using a screwdriver that fits the slot properly. Tapping the screw is sometimes necessary to loosen the grip. Then the other grip is tapped off. The side plate is next. Each screw is removed and placed in a cardboard template. This keeps them from getting mixed up. Once all the screws have been removed, a small hammer is used to sharply tap the right side of the grip frame. This will jar the side plate loose. Never attempt to pry it loose, as that may damage it. Using a magnet, the hammer block is lifted out and set aside. Backing out the strain screw a few turns allows the mainspring to be lifted out. Then the hammer is removed. A rebound spring tool is used to compress the rebound spring. Be careful. Then the rebound slide is removed, followed by the trigger and hand. I use spray solvent to wash out the inside of the frame, followed by a nylon brush to scrub out the buildup loosened by the solvent. I finish by wiping out the frame with a clean shop towel. Now I clean each individual part. A nylon brush is used for the stubborn filing. Oil is applied to the contact points on each part. Just a drop is all that's required. Notice that I only place it on the bearing surfaces. Some parts, such as the trigger and hand, require special attention because of the numerous bearing surfaces. Once all the parts are reinstalled, a drop of oil is placed on the hammer and trigger pivot pins. A drop of oil is placed in the pin recesses, then the side plate is gently tapped until it seats completely. Once everything is cleaned and oiled, I slide the yoke back into the frame and tighten the screw.